Hi everyone, Anne Bounty from Said with Love, and I'm so excited to talk to you about our new Sewalong. We are going to be doing the Sewalong for Elizabeth Hartman's show and tell pattern, which is just the cutest thing ever. Four different animals, so a bear, a bunny, a fox, and a deer, holding little quilts, little mini quilts. They're doing the show and tell of their own quilts. You can just imagine what their guild looks like. So a lot of fun. The quilt kits have just hit shops in basically this coming week and in the weeks following. So you'll be able to go and grab one of those if you haven't already pre-ordered from your favourite quilt shop, i.e. me. But if you haven't managed to get one of the kits, and I'll show you a little bit more about the kit in a second, you can still join us for the sew along using Elizabeth Hartman's pattern. You can get the paper version or a PDF download from her website. If you're in America, obviously, you could get the hard copy, but PDF is probably the easiest way to get it for anybody else around the rest of the world. And you can use solids like she has here and has details in here and on the back of the pattern of which particular Modabella solids she's used. And obviously the kit brings them all together already for us. But I've also seen this pattern made with print fabrics as well. Looks good. So anyway you want to come and join us, we'd be happy to have you. We're going to be starting the sew along on the 27th of April. And it goes for about 18 weeks, which I know sounds really long, but there's a lot to do in this pattern. We've got basically a block a week and then obviously some weeks for the different animals and things as well. So going to be fun. So it's starting on the 27th of April, which is a Monday, and ends, I think, on the 31st of August. And that'll be when we're doing our reveal of our quilt tops and doing our own little show and tell. Elizabeth Hartman's patterns are not complex, but there are some quite small pieces in them. So if you are a beginner, I'd perhaps work on maybe not the whole quilt, but she gives instructions for a smaller quilt with just 4 blocks. And I think she also has instructions just for a single block as well. So if you're a beginner, like an absolute beginner, I'd perhaps start with one of the smaller, like just the single block or maybe the 4 block quilt before you perhaps start thinking of tackling the larger one. But as I said, there's nothing particularly complex in any of these, but there are some small pieces and it is a fairly big quilt. The quilt is 75 inches by 85 inches, so it is a big quilt, but gosh, how gorgeous. So to join our sew along, all you need to do is head to the link in the description box below over at our website, where you can sign up to receive the weekly emails with all the tips and tricks and what we're going to be doing this week. Those emails will start on the 27th of April. When you sign up now, you will receive a welcome email that gives you a bit of a background of where you can go and find the pattern or the kits, etc. And there's possibly going to be one just before the sew along starts, which is a how to get prepared and what do we need to get sorted before we can start our sew along. I hope you want to come and join us for this sew along. It'll be a lot of fun. We've got a Facebook sew along group as well that you can post your progress or ask any questions, etc. It will be a lot of fun. So come and join us and come over and sign up for the sew along.